Hey guys, Super Mario Grumpy Busters, and today I hit 1,000 views on my YouTube channel, and it's a big surprise, just like the word says on my screen right now. So yeah, it's a big, huge surprise, and thank you guys very much. And it's only been 5 months since I've done YouTube, and hope I hit to like 1,000 subscribers someday. But thanks for getting me to a 1,000 views. That's like very exciting for me. I love it and it's so nice. Thanks guys. You've really helped me out here on YouTube. I'll still be uploading a lot more videos and I'll get a lot more videos and stuff and do more videos and hope you guys have a nice day and hope you guys hit a bunch of views too on your videos too. And now I'll be saying bye. Bye guys. Thank you very, very much for letting me hit to 1,000 views.